Most people are using AI completely wrong and they think AI is just not good enough. Imagine two people open ChatGPT and both asked to write a YouTube script. The first person types a simple one, just like a Google search, and he get a generic boring result. But the second person gives more detailed instructions and the result is much better than the first one. So the difference is how they ask. That's the power of prompting. If you use a better prompt, you will get a better answer. So today's video, let's break down exactly how to prompt AI the right way in 2026. Before we get into the main method, let's quickly check different way to prompt AI. Method 1 is role model prompting. Here you are telling the AI to act like an expert before asking your question. For example, act like a scriptwriter or act like a developer, anything you want. This gives you more specific and focused response. Method 2 is meta prompting. If you don't know how to write a good prompt, this method will help you. Instead of writing the prompt by yourself, you ask the AI to write one for you, and the AI will ask you some important question to build the perfect prompt. So now let's talk about the best and most popular prompting method in 2026, which is structured prompting. So let's check. In this type of prompting, you are giving the full details in a structured manner and you will get a perfect and clear output. So mainly it have 5 major parts. Number 1 is role. This is where you tell the AI who to be. For example, an experienced scriptwriter or a developer, anything suitable for the content. Number 2 is task. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. Number 3 is context. This is where you give your background information so AI can understand your situation and give a proper output. Number 4 is tone. That is which tone you need the output format. For example, keep it friendly, casual or easy to understand as your wish. And the finally number 5 is output format. Here you can tell AI how you want the final result to look. For example, bullet point, table format, short summary, anything you want. Okay, now let's wind up the video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video.